Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. In this image I'm going to use the iron in the mini hot plate position and apply some wax all over to start with to create a background. So I'm just using some clear number 27 to start with, and I'm going to introduce some yellow over the top of that. Got yellow. If you look, I'm just scribbling it in and it melts. I'm just going to introduce this sponge, which is just a sponge roller already covered in some encaustic wax of various colours. I'm just going to dab up and down in a circular type motion to create an area roughly in the centre of the card I'm working. And I'm going to take a little tissue pad just to add some light. I'm just going to drag it through. Just be careful with your fingers. Drag and lift just to put some light through the middle of the image. Now this is dried, this background, and you're thinking, what is he going to do with this? That's cool, that's what I want you to do. I want you to think about it. I'm going to introduce some more colour. A little bit of black, some red violet, and some lilac. I'm going to choose where the top and the bottom are. I'm going to pick that as the bottom. I'm just going to wipe that in initially. You might think, oh, what's that going to be? And tap the two surfaces together. Then I'm going to drag through this wax, drag up, create some spooky looking trees. Don't worry if it goes a little bit wrong. Don't forget, you might not have tried to do bats or birds or anything like that before. If things go wrong, or blob, you can either tidy it up with your scraping tool, or you can just pull a tree branch from your tree, cut across, and take it out like that. Just run that like that. Take that bat out altogether, leave the other one in. Just run another little bit of tree there, and we'll put another bat in a second. Just clean the point of the iron up. Putting my friend in. So I've got one. There's his pal. Happy Halloween. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.